Hello students, today we are going to do experiment on soil texture. We are going to study the texture of soil and the particles which composed that soil sample completely. For this experiment, the requirements are as follows. We will need a measuring cylinder, garden soil sample. We can keep it in the polythene bags or the disposable glasses. We will collect some amount of that sample in a Petri plate. We will need a spatula, glass rod, and a magnifying lens. These are the requirements for this experiment. Now, when we are talking about the texture of soil, texture means the physical property. It is a physical property of the soil that this soil texture is based on the soil particles. On the basis of size, we have divided this texture of soil, that each soil sample consists of sand, silt, clay on the basis of different particle size. First of all, in first method, we are going to study these soil samples with the help of magnifying glass. For this, we are going to collect the soil sample. We have taken the garden soil sample and we will put it in the Petri plate. We have taken some of the soil sample in the Petri plate and we will try to study it with the help of magnifying glass. And when we will observe it with the help of magnifying glass, as you can see, you will be able to see the soil particles of different size, right? The soil particle size is different. But this is not giving us the complete information about the texture of soil. We are going to study the texture of soil by using the second method, in which we have to collect that garden soil sample in a measuring cylinder. Okay, we will put all this garden soil sample in a measuring cylinder and we will fill this measuring cylinder up to its half limit. We have taken a measuring cylinder of 250 ml. Now we will pour approx 125 ml of this soil sample in it. Now as you can see, we have filled our measuring cylinder up to its half limit with the garden soil sample. Now what will we do? We will pour water in this measuring cylinder. Equal amount of water will be poured in this measuring cylinder with the help of wash bottle. We are pouring water in the measuring cylinder in equal amount. As we have taken the 125 ml of soil sample, we will pour 125 ml of water in that garden soil sample. So as you can see, we have poured water till 250 ml. So this measuring cylinder is filled half with the soil sample and half or equal amount of water. Now we are going to stir it with the help of glass rod. We are going to stir soil sample in the water thoroughly. The water should reach to the bottom of the measuring cylinder. With the help of glass rod, we are stirring that soil sample. Now as you can see, we have poured water in equal amount in this measuring cylinder up to 250 ml and we have stirred it thoroughly so that water has reached to the bottom of the measuring cylinder. Now we have to let it stand undisturbed for at least 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we will note down the thickness of each layer. What is happening during this time? The soil particles are gradually settling down according to their weight. So after 1 hour, we will take the observation for the same. Yes, dear students, As you can see, after 1 hour, the layers of soil profile are separated on the basis of their particle size. This topmost layer, you can see it is humus, the organic matter in the soil sample. Then these are the fine clay particles which are suspended in water. Now after that clay, there is a thin layer of silt. This layer is of silt, and in bottom, as you can see here, in bottom there will be coarse sand particles. So this is how we have separated the soil profile. We have separated the soil particles on the basis of their particle size. The smallest particle size is of clay, then silt, and the larger soil particles are of sand. This is the observation and the result for this soil texture experiment. During this practical, the precautions that we have to follow. First thing, when you have mixed the equal amount of water with soil, we have to stir it thoroughly first, and then we have to keep it undisturbed for at least 1 hour. And second precaution, that the study of these different layers should be done very carefully, because you will be able to trace out the different layers in the soil profile on the basis of soil particle size. So that's it for today. Thank you all. Namaskar.